Hello lovely people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we shall be making soya milk. All we need is some soya beans, water and any sweetener of your choice. So I've already selected the soya beans and I've transferred it into a bigger bowl. I'll add some amounts of water to it and allow it to soak for about 8 hours. You can leave yours overnight. After 8 hours, this is how the soya beans look like. I will strain it to get rid of this water. Then I will also rinse it until the water runs clear. I will not be removing the skin, but if you prefer to remove the skin, you can do so at this point since the beans is already very soft. So you can just apply some pressure while washing it and then the skin will come off, then you strain it away. But I'll rinse mine, then I'll go ahead and blend it. The reason why I do not want to remove the skin is because I'm going to still strain it to remove the chaff from it. So this is our blended beans. It's now time for us to extract the milk, but before that we'll add more water to it so that it will be easier for us to extract the milk. I'll be using a chiffon cloth to strain it. If you have a cheesecloth, you can go ahead and use it. Here is our milk, so I'll transfer it into a saucepan, then I'll place it on fire. And this is the chaff. We usually use this to feed our turkeys. So our milk is on fire already. We'll allow this to boil until we see a slimy substance settle on top of it. So as we can see, our milk is boiling beautifully. And this slimy substance that we are seeing on top of it indicates that the milk is ready. So I'll take this off the fire, allow it to cool a bit, then I'll sieve it one more time and then we can add any sweetener of our choice, and that's it. Our milk is ready. You can use any sweetener of your choice to sweeten your milk. You can use sugar or dates or even condensed milk. So here I've added some sugar to this. And I also sweeten another portion of the milk with condensed milk, and it tasted so good. You can also make use of dates. Thank you for watching. Please let me know what you think about this in the comments section.